Hi guys, so today we are doing air sign readings. So let's see what Monica and Veronica have in store for you guys. We'll start with Gemini. So Gemini, your overall energy is this: new moon in Pisces. You are being asked to meditate and contemplate. What is it that you want? Okay? Or you need to think how you have been handling the love department. Have you had some sort of pattern that has been following, that you have been following? Is it serving you? Do you need to make a change? You need to think these things through, okay? So your current energy is this Hierophant. This is kind of a stagnant energy and stubborn, to be very honest. This is someone who has a certain way of being and they kind of are stuck on it. And I get it, okay? You would want that commitment. That is what you desire. But then what I'm seeing is this is stopping you from getting that love. You need to be more flexible and more adaptable. Because the problem you see is this Five of Pentacles, lack mentality. My point is, if something is good, a connection is deep, and you guys are feeling that, you are vibing, why do you feel the need to pin it down? Don't you have faith that it will eventually lead to a commitment? Why are you questioning it constantly? Why are you putting yourself through that anxiety, that panic? Because clearly when you will be this free person, free-spirited, who is like doing their own thing, living their own life, I am seeing that things will just pan out in your favor. Everything will fall in place. So the solution again is this Eight of Cups. As I was just saying, you guys need to look inside of yourself. What is it that you have been doing wrong? What do you need to let go? Also, some changes need to be made. Probably you have been working or living life in an automated way. It's time to find your passions, because I'm seeing wherever your passion is, that's where you'll find this person. Or once you start living with passion, you will attract this person into your life. So that's the main thing that I see for you guys. Thank you. Bye. Geminis. So, you guys have been giving them headaches. Can you stop already? Checking on them every 10 seconds is not going to make them respond any faster. Just saying. Also, you need to chill. Be chill. You cannot expect the person you just met to give you a ring. They are not gonna put a ring on it. Just say. So be patient enough, go through the process, and once it's the right time, it's going to happen. Also, stop with your toxic behavior. Okay? Yeah. There you go. Hi Libra. So your overall energy is this new moon in Gemini. Communication is the key. So I feel this new moon in the Gemini season is going to bring some answers. Probably you guys have been wanting some answers. Someone is going to contact you, some love interest, or you are going to find someone online most probably, but there is going to be some sort of communication. Interesting. So your current energy is Ace of Cups. Keep it up, guys, because this is a very positive energy to have. This means that you guys are open to love, okay? Because 10 of Cups was accompanying Ace of Cups, which shows me again that this time probably you are spending with your loved ones, with your family and friends, and you are at a good place emotionally, okay? If that hasn't happened, then know that it is manifesting, okay? This is coming towards you, okay? So for the problem in your love life, I see this Fool card in reverse, which shows me you are not really sure of what lies ahead and you are not really very optimistic about it. You are having trouble having that leap of faith, you know. So you do need to work on that part. Even though you are open to love, you are having this amazing vibration, you have raised it and you worked on yourself. I am seeing there's still this pessimism. I think this has to do with your subconscious mind. You don't even realize it, but you are somehow blocking it. Now, for the solution, again, you have Knight of Wands in reverse, which makes a lot of sense. You guys might be stressing about this, not having faith in it, losing confidence in yourself. You need to work on that, seriously, because you do deserve it, and I do see that the energy is right. You are going to attract that person. You need to get your mojo back, okay? Use that charisma, seriously. But for that, you need to be in that vibe, right? You need to know. You need to know your own value, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, once you tap into that, everything will be put into motion, okay? So that's what I had for you guys. Bye! Libras. So, you guys think you are the victims? Why do you think so? My goodness, you guys have some serious subconscious blocks, and stop acting like you don't already know. You know it. Start working on it already. Will you? And yeah, the man you just married in your head might get a new chick if you don't act. So time to get going. Make it real. And I guess that's the main advice. You're still here. Shouldn't you be going already?
Run.
Hi Aquarians. So your overall energy is emotions are running high. Super moon. So right now it's likely that your judgment is clouded, or this can be someone that you are dealing with. So you might need to be a little more logical about this because the other person isn't. So I see you in this Knight of Wands energy. So Knight of Wands is someone who, goes with the flow, who just wants to follow their passion, right? Someone who is good at managing challenges. So you are feeling confident, you are having that mojo on. So you will be attracting a lot of people towards you at this point. Though the problem with you guys is this Four of Cups. I feel there is somebody around you that is the right one, but you're just not seeing it for what it is, for whatever reason. Or this can be, your current partner who is, as I said, feeling overly emotional, but you're not able to empathize with them, you're not able to understand them. Maybe, be a little gentle with them, that might help. And I'm seeing you are undergoing transformations, even though you are not wanting to. I am seeing resistance coming from you. You are being asked to be, emotionally in tune so that you can handle your relationships in a better manner without going to extremes, from being overly emotional to being devoid of that, like cold. Yeah, because that is what your advice card is. Temperance, being, having that balance, maintaining that equation of not, tipping the scale on one side, having the right amount of reason and the right amount of logic, having the right amount of reason and having the right amount of emotions, so as to understand the person. And you guys are smart, you get it. You have IQ and EQ, which makes you one of the smartest people. So this shouldn't be that tough, right, guys? So this is what I had for you guys. Bye. Aquarius. So you think you're some sort of royal highness? No one else ever seems to match the level. Oh my god, I see such a beautiful future for you guys. It's making me cry. Jesus Christ. Get over it already. Stop treating other humans as peasants. No one is ever going to give you that love if you treat them like, So yeah, you know it. You're guilty of having this crazy superiority complex. And yet, you refuse to acknowledge it and work on your pride and ego. Who do you think is gonna tolerate that? So this is it for today, guys. I hope you guys are going to work on your issues. Remember, these readings are to help you guys. And I hope you make the most of it. I'm going to see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.
Hey guys, if you like the videos, please hit the like button. Please show your support by subscribing to the channel and sharing its content. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest notifications. And as always, thank you all for all the support. Take care and bye.